Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Lenovo XT91. We had before in our channel a few Lenovo devices and earbuds. In today's video we will have the XT91. We will see what we have in the box and what option do they offers us. We will try all these options and we will show you how to connect it with Android, iOS or your PC, and we will see how they work in different devices. So let's go ahead immediately start unboxing. We have the package in front of us, very small and easy package to use. We have here a few options, but unfortunately we don't know Chinese yet. Again, in the back, a few options to tell us and information to tell us what about these devices, these earbuds, but in Chinese, which we don't understand. I usually prefer if they were in Chinese and English, so we can understand a few words, but either way we will see later how they work. And the package itself, as you can see, very simple. We have the user manual that we will use later to see how they will work. We have English and Chinese here, that's a plus. Here in this package we have the charger, very small, but it does the job. And we have more few pieces, extra pieces for your earbuds, which maybe for some of us will work. We have one USB-C type charger, very small, and we have the Lenovo XT91 itself. This is how the case will look like. A small screen to tell us how they are charging and how many battery do they have left. You can see when you pop them up, this is how it will look like. It shows you the percentage of battery. Let's put them on and try to connect them first with Android and see how they will work. Here at the Android we have to turn on the Bluetooth first and go at the Bluetooth, press pair new device. These are all the devices that we connected a while before. Here at the new device, as you can see, we have a few devices that are in the room. We have the Lenovo at the top, which we have to press it. A few seconds go by, we have the ask to pair, and now they are paired with my phone. We have here the options that these earbuds offers us, and we have to go straight to the YouTube and try a song, whatever you want to listen, and test these earbuds. So with just one press, as you can see, touch press, obviously we can pause or play the video, press and hold. It will open up the Google Assist or Siri if you're using iOS. These earbuds have plenty of good microphones on them, which you can see it hears me saying open YouTube and it opens the YouTube again. Triple tap to lower or raise the volume. In this case, with the right one it lowers the volume, and with the left one it raises it. We can see here the left one now. Press once, again it will pause and play the video. Triple tap to raise the volume, and double tap, as we saw before, it will change the song with the left one, which is different from the right one. You can see now the right one with double tap, it opens up, it changes to the previous song, which is a little bit confusing on how these will work. Now we are with an iPhone here. Let's try out how to connect them. As you can see, when you press it, immediately it connects. I see that with iOS is a little bit easier to connect them, but let's go ahead in the YouTube and try out the same option that we did before. So let's start with the right one. Press once to play or pause the video. Triple press to lower the volume, like we saw in the Android. With the left one, same, triple tap to raise the volume. and actually the sound of the Lenovo XT91 is pretty good. We have quite good quality of a sound, very good bass, and the music is coming real clear and very good sound as well. These are very good devices, even though maybe I'm not used to use these devices. I don't know pretty good how they actually work. These are very good sound. These have very good sound, but as you saw, the options doesn't work always the same. I'm not sure why. Here we are at the PC or laptop, whatever you want, whatever you use, you can connect at those as well. You can see Lenovo XT91, it says in the Bluetooth new device. Now that they are connected, you can actually use all of them, all of these options, except the Google Assist or changing the songs. You can play or pause the music or the volume. These two options works in your laptop as well. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.